top headlines for the day.
Well, cricket seems to be the reason for models and dancers to show their bids, and nothing like a Pakistan match for getting the best act out of the closet. Didn't we tell you that Kandil Baloch, the Pakistani model, was ready to strip dance if Pakistan wins the match on March 19th? Now sources have it that Indian model Arshi Khan has been given a deal by Oil Baron to pose nude for Pakistani channel, but she said she would do it if Afridi agrees. Aren't we quite abreast of all the Arshi Khan has been doing and all that she's been in the news for? Well, this is getting interesting as Arshi is out to get a lot of attention. And isn't this getting so hot and happening? Arshi, meanwhile, has also ensured the focus has now shifted to her from Poonam Pandey, the other model who had said she would go nude for a similar match. Meanwhile, we are still waiting to see what's next in line of action between these hot models and cricket. Henna? Didn't we tell you that Malaika and Arbaz are going for a divorce? We never actually came to know the actual reasons, but there's a new story that's doing the rounds. And the main reason behind all this rift is none other than our own Sultan of Bollywood, Salman Khan. Yes, believe it or not, our own Bhai is proving to be a problem for Chaya Chaya actress. And apparently, she never wished to talk to Bhai as she never had a bonding with him and ever. Reports also have it that Salman is not too happy with the way Malaika dresses up, and when things can get so interfering, then Malaika, the diva, could take a call. But it's indeed a shocker that Salman of all the people could be responsible for spoiling a relationship. Let us see where it goes. Akshay Kumar is one of the mind-blowing actors and now he's making a debut in Tamil films. Bollywood superstar Aki will be playing role of mad and evil scientist and antagonist against Rajinikanth for the film Robot 2. Akshay plays an eccentric scientist named Richard. As experiment goes wrong, he turns crazy and loses his appearance. And here's the leaked picture. Indeed mind-blowing and scary. Image has been clicked at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium and the film is undergoing Delhi schedule and then will head to Morocco. The film is directed by Shankar and has Amy Jackson playing female lead. Our Khiladi Kumar looks amazing and seeing him in this avatar looks like he's surely going to rock playing an antagonist role. The picture has created quite a curiosity about the film. Whoa, when it's Salman Khan, it surely is a golden chance. Just yesterday we told you that Salman is planning to launch a new hero, this time his friend Son Zahir, in a Hindi remake of a Punjabi hit movie. Well, we hadn't told you who the heroine would be. Well, get it from us now that it's none other than the Dilwale girl Kriti Sanon who hit the jackpot. And isn't that a wonderful opportunity for the starlet? As for Salman, we know the girl he mentors is surely to work her way up to the top. Look at Kat, look at Sonakshi and so many other heroines who hit it big. Kriti already has shown her mettle in Hero Panti. And then in Dilwale 2, remains to be seen how Salman would mold her. Henna? Meanwhile, stay tuned for more about this new jodi. Well, today's India vs Bangladesh match will be epic as King Khan, the superstar of Bollywood, will be doing commentary during the match. Yes, he'll join along with Kapil Dev and Shoaib Akhtar in the commentary box. India will be playing its third match of the Super 10 matches. They do have to win this match to qualify in the semi-finals, which is being held in Bangalore's Chinnaswamy Stadium. We are excited for the match, but now the excitement is double as we would hear our King Khan. SRK has the love for the mic and that's a fact. What adds more, he's charming and witty too and a perfect cricket fan. Shah Rukh Khan could not make it to the epic match between India vs Pakistan due to prior commitments in Dubai to attend Times of India Film Awards. So now he's making it up by being a commentator as he'll be there for the first half of the match. and then will proceed to shoot for his movie Race.